Today I'll teach you how to bind GridView using Stored Procedure with Dapper in ASP.NET. So let's start. We'll start by adding a GridView control. For more information on Dapper, using Dapper and installing Dapper, please refer to the video on the right hand side. Now I'm adding columns to the GridView. I'll be adding 3 bound field columns: customer ID, name and country. Now our GridView is ready. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is Dapper. The next one is system.data. Then system.data.sql client. And finally system.configuration. Now inside the page load event handler, I am writing the if notice postback condition. So here I have created a string variable, and inside that I am reading the connection string from the web.config file. Now here we'll specify the name of the stored procedure, customers_get_customers. I have created an object of SQL connection class, and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor. Here I am making use of iDataReader, which is written from the executeReader function of the Dapper library. Now I am passing the name of the stored procedure and the command type. Now I am creating an object of DataTable which will be filled using DataReader. Once the DataTable is populated with data, it is assigned to the data source property of the GridView control. And finally, the data bind function of the GridView control is called. The population part of the GridView is completed. Now let's run the code and see the GridView. As you can see, the GridView is displaying data. So with this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to bind GridView using Stored Procedure with Dapper in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.